G'day and welcome to 1930's character design, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the class. I don't even know what accent I'm doing. Cut that out. I'm not good at accents. Welcome to 1930's character design. In this class, we are going to be showing you how to make unique, custom, original characters based on the style of the 1930s. In order to know how to make your characters look authentic, we're going to dive into a little bit of the history of early animation. That is the 1900s, the 10s, the 20s, and of course the 30s. Because a lot of the reason why characters looked the way they did was because of the limitations of how animation was created. That is that they had to actually draw on celluloid sheets. They'd ink the back, they'd put two sheets together, take photos, one frame at a time to make their animation. So because of that, that's why characters looked a certain way. We're also going to be talking a lot about Fleischer Studios, a studio that you may have not heard of. They were a huge competitor to the Disney conglomerate back in the 30s, and they made some really awesome artwork that I like way better than Walt Disney stuff. So if you haven't heard of them, it's going to be a really exciting thing for you to learn, and they have got really crazy awesome characters. So once we're done going over the history of animation, we're going to show you how to create those pie eyes, funny mouths, having funny eyebrows, rubber hose limbs, and the big white Mickey gloves. Believe it or not, those gloves existed well before Mickey. And there's a reason why those characters look that way, which you will then know so that you can create your own custom characters. For the class project, we're going to be talking about something called Anthropomorphism, which sounds complicated, but really it's about making something that's not human appear more human and lovable. On top of making really awesome 1930s designs, Jake Bartlett has actually teamed up with me, and he is putting out a class on character animation. So you're going to take the characters that you created in this class, and you're going to bring them to Jake's class, and he's going to show you how to animate them. Any of the animations you're seeing in this video right now were done by Jake. So making your character look really awesome and authentic to the 1930s is one thing, but once you animate them, you can actually trick people from the 1930s. So even though in this class I'm going to be using a little bit of software and we're going to be setting files up for Jake, you can still actually just take this class with pencil and paper if that's what you're more comfortable with. It's not really a software class, so it should be easy for you to jump in and just start sketching. Well, that's it. I hope you check out the class, and we'll see you in a moment.